Hey guys, welcome to the Jones Kitchen. I'm Erica. If you're into good food and would like to learn new recipes from around the world, then this is the channel for you and you may want to consider subscribing. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cookie. Once you try this recipe, you don't need to use any other recipe ever again. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I'm gonna show you how to make these bad boys in only 50 seconds flat. You want to take a bowl and put inside flour, butter, brown sugar, baking powder, salt and vanilla extract, then mix roughly all together. Add your coconut sugar and work the mix until you form the dough and then fold inside the chocolate chips. Give it a good mix to make sure your chocolate chips are well incorporated. It would probably be easier to work your dough on the countertop, but to avoid any mess, just use a bowl or a KitchenAid. At this point, your cookie dough should be nice and golden brown, not too firm and not too wet. Portion your mix into bowls and lay them on a baking tray. You can either decide to bake your cookies directly or make them flat. It really depends on how you like them. To save time for your next batch of cookies, just take your leftover chocolate chip cookie dough, portion it and wrap it inside some parchment paper, then place it into an airtight container and freeze it. It will be so much easier next time you bake. I hope you are excited as I am to see the end results of these cookies. For your microwave cookie, you want to take your chocolate chip cookie dough and place it into a plate. Then put it inside the microwave for 50 seconds flat at full power. Honestly guys, I'm giving you these tips because the end result was just amazing. I bet you could never say this is a microwave cookie. I was surprised how the cookie was still moist even after being microwaved. And these are our gorgeous oven-baked cookies. Remember to join the family by subscribing. I'll see you here for the next one. And now I'm going to enjoy this beautiful cookie. Bye-bye. These cookies looked and tasted absolutely stunning. So I give them a Jones Kitchen rating of 9.5 out of 10.